You know, when you think of Tesla, you probably think of electric cars, right? But what if I told you their next huge move has almost nothing to do with what's on the road and absolutely everything to do with what's under the hood? We're talking about something that feels like a complete rewiring of the company's DNA. So, this all kicked off on March 21st. Elon Musk gets up and announces this super project called Terafab. And its mission is just incredibly ambitious, a massive, brand new plan for manufacturing their own chips. Now, it's really easy to get caught up in just how big this thing is. But the real story here, the thing we really need to focus on, isn't the scale. It's about what this does to Tesla's entire business model. This is a fundamental change. To really get it, let's just look at the before and after. So, before, all of Tesla's incredible computing power was completely reliant on buying chips from other companies. But now, with Terafab, the plan is to bring that all in-house. And let's be perfectly clear about what that means. This isn't just about swapping out a supplier to make the supply chain a little tidier. No, this is a fundamental restructuring of their business model. Think about it like this. Once Tesla takes control of the chip, and you could argue that the chip is the most critical puzzle piece in all of modern tech, their entire position in the ecosystem is poised for a dramatic change. What we're seeing is a shift, a move away from being a company that depends on others for its core hardware to becoming what some people call a full-stack infrastructure empire. That's a company that controls every single critical layer of its own tech. And this is really what that new strategy looks like when you break it down. You've got the underlying chips, then the energy that drives the products, all the way to the terminal robotics. It all enters Tesla's own closed loop. So, okay, this is a massive evolution. But what does a shift this big actually mean for the company's future? I mean, are we looking at a future where Tesla starts to control the core pricing power of AI itself? Or are they just stepping into an incredibly complicated cash-burning quagmire? We can debate all day about which of those futures is more likely, but honestly, one thing is certain right now. From the moment Terafab becomes a reality, the Tesla we all thought we knew, well, it's gone. To put it another way, Tesla is reaching down to the very foundation of its business, pulling out that cornerstone that it used to rely on from others and replacing it with one that has its own name on it. So, the ultimate question is still hanging in the air. Will this profound change become Tesla's greatest opportunity or its greatest risk? That's a pretty big question, and it's one we're going to explore next time. And just a quick disclaimer here. This analysis is just for informational purposes, and it's not investment advice. All the information is based on public news as of March 2026. And remember, all investing involves risk.